art class today, and Mohawk is embarking on a new painting, and one of her fellow students here has given her a picture that she had painted from. And so now, tell us your dilemma.
My dilemma is I think the top picture has more interest. There's
Okay.
more in the background, there's more flowers. The bottom picture, which I was going to do.
Which is a detail of the
is it-
top one?
No, I think it's just she went from the top and took a picture down.
I see.
Because see, it's a different perspective.
Okay.
So I was trying to do a small picture, but now I'm looking at it and I'm thinking, this would look more interesting.
Well,
So I'd already drawn the bigger picture, but I may
I
scrap.
have a solution for you.
What?
Do two.
That's what Jerry and I talked about.
Okay. Well, that's
two.
three great minds.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do this one and do this one.
Absolutely.
So anyway, that's
I'll go
what I'm
get the
doing.
canvas right now so that as you lay in your background colors and lay in your underpainting,
Doing
that
the
you-
same color.
doing the same color at the same time, because I see you have two easels here, so you're like set and ready.
I guess so.
Okay, we're gonna check back on you later.
All right.
Bye. All right, this is a treat we don't usually have. Our painter, Grace, had these two photographs that she had taken, and she did and is holding this beautiful watercolor. The size is a half a sheet, and so beautifully rendered, and you can see her composition is strengthened by her use of diagonals. And so she has loaned it to our student, well, she's loaned the pictures to our fellow painter, Mohawk, and so she has chosen to divide and conquer, and so she is now in process of completing her paintings based on photographs below. So isn't that fun to see how differently people interpret and from one medium to the next? So come back and see us. Bye now.